going on the northbound side, and I'm trying over here looking at it.
Ooh. Ooh, that's bad. Ooh, that's very bad. Ooh. Ooh, that's very bad. No. People are on stretchers and shit. They got both got another denouement here. So I'm home for the weekend and realized that I got a bad coolant leak. I went ahead and checked it out yesterday, and yep, because it was smelling like coolant in the cab when I was driving down the road getting home. But luckily I made it home, and I let the truck cool down. And so yesterday I went out and checked my truck, opened up the hood, and yep, to my surprise, I got a crack in the coolant reservoir, and it's leaking from the water pump here. I'm gonna show y'all in a bit. So as you can see here, the crack right there. You see the radiator fluid is low, and it just started spraying coolant all over the front of the cab, front of the engine. So I don't know if you can see it properly, but yeah, it's leaking from there. Yeah, it's the water pump right here, and it's leaking from underneath there. It's leaking up from here too. It's just a mess. So be sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more, y'all. Peace.